welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing a cube. So I shipped it from Daraz, and and now I'm going to be testing the quality and what it is. So let's start the video. So I just cut the package so that we can easily open it. So let's just so this is the cube, and so this is, I think, a very good cube by the by looking at its box. So let's open it and check. So this is a Jinhu cube, and it is I ordered IV cube. So let's open it. So it looks good from here. So let me just, yes. So this is very smooth on the surface, and let's check its movements. Yes, it moves smoothly and easily. So this is a very fun cube. Let's shuffle it. I don't know how to solve it, but I will try. Like its algorithms are like of, I think, skew, because cube is almost similar to it. So I've solved a cube of my friend, so that was very easy to solve and fun. So that's so this is, I think, shuffled enough. So now I think we used to two edges, corners over here. So the white one is here, so let us just get it over with one move here, and then just, yes. So this is done. Now I think the center one, or first we did the yellow. I think first we did the yellow. So now, no, I think first we did. So let's just put it, I think it was like this left, and then hide this one, and then put it back over here and here. So now the tissue are left, so let me just put it over here, and then this. Yes, so these two are made, and this one, so this is, yes. So overall experience of mine is that I would recommend it to you guys, because it is a very good cube, and you can buy it on Daraz. And so now if you like more information, tell me. So I'm going to give this cube a 5-star rating, because it is cheap and very good. So now this one, it is smooth turning, and it does not like it is very smooth. So that's it for this video. So guys, I will be unboxing more cubes, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cubes. And I have been making tutorials of 3x3. Please watch them if you don't know how to do the whole 3x3. So see you in the next video.